Mac users hated this dock. Until they tried it. WAVLINK Quad Display Beast Review. You've been there, cables tangled like spaghetti, external monitors that blink in and out like ghosts, your Mac M1 is M2, M3 mocking your every attempt to multitask. You're juggling deadlines, 5 apps open, a call buzzing, and your laptop is melting down like it's auditioning for a cooking show. Your current docking station, if you can call it that, just can't keep up. No DisplayLink support? Dead ports? Maxed out bandwidth? Yep, it's killing your vibe and your productivity. You need performance, not pain. You need to connect it all without reinventing the wheel or duct taping workarounds together. Because you're not here to settle. You're here to dominate your workflow. Period. And then, the frustration snowballs. Now your Ethernet's slower than grandma's dial-up. Your Zoom lags, your files transfer like it's still 2003, and forget trying to power all your devices, your charger is begging for mercy. You've got 4 displays, but your system only sees 2. It's chaos. Missed meetings, lost data, a fried GPU later, and you start wondering why you're even bothering with that fancy MacBook if it can't actually multitask. The burnout creeps in. You're not just stuck, you're sabotaged by your own setup. It's tech tyranny at its finest. Enter the game-changing monster, the WAVLINK DisplayLink Docking Station. This isn't your dad's dusty hub. This sleek, 19-port powerhouse is a command center, built with DisplayLink's 6910 chipset muscle, for HDMI, and 4 DP ports for quad. Enjoy stunning visuals with 5K and 4K monitors, rapid 100-watt power delivery charging for your laptop, blazing fast 2.5 gigabit Ethernet for next-gen speeds, ultra-quick 10 gigabit per second USB ports, and high-speed SD and TF 4.0 card readers for effortless media access. And yes, it actually works on M1, M2, M3 Macs. This is where tech finally meets peace of mind. Whether you're a remote warrior, a creative multitasker, or just a control freak who wants everything plugged in at once, this dock is your throne. Just install the DisplayLink driver and you're off to the races. Let's talk juicy benefits. No more hot laptop laps. No more screen switching acrobatics. Just fluid productivity across 4 monitors with 0 flicker, 0 stress. Your files transfer in seconds, your video calls stay crisp, your network speed makes coffee nervous. Modular compatibility? Check. Sleek design? Check. Mac and Windows ready? Oh, absolutely. Whether you're clamshelling, rotating, or just vibing in your home office, this WAVLINK beast keeps your workflow buttery smooth. Curious how it fits into your setup? Scroll down. Get the full scoop. This is multitasking made majestic. But here's the kicker, these docks don't stay in stock. Thousands of Mac users have already made the switch and haven't looked back. Don't be the last genius in the room still struggling with port purgatory. Upgrade now. Seize the power, the speed, the sanity. Whether you're scaling your empire or just want your freaking files to transfer in under an hour, this is your moment. Click that link, grab the WAVLINK DisplayLink Docking Station, and get your desk and life in order. Let's plug in and power up. Now or never.